The following is a short demonstration video for two models of Wilkinson High-Rise's trash management and recycling systems. In this video, you will see a demonstration of a model TSE-3RU tri-sorter system and a model 6RUB-D turntable system. We will also provide a quick demonstration of the ICD 2000 intake doors that are furnished with these model systems. The configurations shown in this video are just two systems that Wilkinson High-Rise manufactures. We have several other different configurations of these systems to satisfy the majority of trash and recycling management requirements. Please follow up with your local Wilkinson High-Rise representative if you have any further questions regarding this information. We hope you enjoy this video, and we look forward to doing business with you in the future. This is a demonstration of Wilkinson's model TSE-3RU tri-sorter recycling system. This is our most common type recycling system that can be installed in various size buildings. The system allows for 3 levels of waste separation, which are generally broken up as landfill waste or garbage, recyclable materials such as plastic and glass, and then newspaper. The system is PLC driven, so it is highly customizable to any size building and different configuration. The system is usually supplied with some type of trash compaction equipment along with 90-gallon toters for the collection of the material to be recycled. We'll now give you a quick demonstration on how the system operates. As you can see in this view, the trash compactor is on the left-hand side underneath the tri-sorter system, and the two 90-gallon toters used in collecting the recyclable material are on the right-hand side. We are pointing at the trash chute, which is usually installed right above the compactor where garbage is directed to. Once the trash enters the compactor, it is then directed to a 2 cubic yard container that you see in the view here. For purposes of this video, the 2 cubic yard container has been disconnected to give you a better view of the system. The tri-sorter system consists of 2 internal diverter plates that direct waste into the proper container. These plates are driven by 120 volt motors, which are the silver rectangular units that you see on the front of the tri-sorter. These motors are controlled by the master control panel and position the diverter plates in the proper location to allow waste to be directed to the correct bin or compactor. We'll operate these plates shortly to provide you with a better idea of how the system functions. Pictured here is the master control panel for the system. The keypad that you see on the front of the panel is very similar to that installed on the intake doors, which you will see later in this video. Now, we'll give you a quick example of how the diverter plates work by manually operating the system. By moving the center plate, we are now diverting all waste to the center bin. By moving the right plate, we are now diverting all waste to the rightmost bin. The black arms that you see moving in this demonstration mimic the location of the diverter plates and give you an idea of what is going on inside the unit. In automatic mode, the positions of these plates depend on the type of waste being deposited by the user of the system. The default position of the system is garbage. Here is a view of the hydraulic power pack that drives the waste compaction system. This unit is usually installed within 10 feet of the trash compactor. That is a basic overview of this system. We'll now move on to a 6RUB-D turntable system. Thank you. We will now provide an overview of our turntable recycling systems. The unit that we are featuring in this demonstration is a 6RUB-D. This system is specifically designed for buildings where the trash rooms are below grade or where local ordinances require bagged solid waste. The system incorporates a high-volume Wilkinson 45K extruder compactor, a roller track assembly, a bag-enhanced recycling turntable containing 6 steel double-latched side-hinge bag retainers with heavy-duty plastic liners. With that, move on to the demonstration of the system. The 6RUB-D uses a diverter system similar to that of the tri-sorter shown earlier in this video. However, this diverter system only has 1 plate to separate waste into garbage and recyclable material. Pictured here is the 45K extruder compactor that, unlike our container compactors, all waste is collected in large plastic bags. On the right, you can see the turntable system. Here is a quick demonstration of the system in operation. As the user selects the type of waste to be deposited into the system, the turntable will position itself to the proper location to collect the waste. In the configuration shown, the system is set up so that 3 of the drums of the turntable collect glass and plastic, and 3 drums collect newspaper. Here you will see the diverter plate operating. As the plate moves inside the diverter, it directs waste either to the compactor or to the turntable. This concludes the demonstration of the 6 RUB-D. The following is a demonstration of the ICD 2000 intake doors that are furnished with Wilkinson High-Rise Recycling Systems. As you can see, the intake door is a one-piece unit installed in the wall of the trash room. The keypad on top of the intake door allows the user to deposit different types of waste into the trash management system. The system shown is set up for the collection of garbage, cans, plastic and glass, and newspapers. The system is very easy to use. As a user enters the type of waste to be deposited, the system will then position the recycling system in the proper position to accept the waste. Audible alarms are incorporated in the system to inform the user when they can deposit their waste into the chute. There may be a 2 to 3 second delay in gaining access to the intake door if the system is not in position to accept that type of waste being deposited. As shown here, there is a solenoid lockout system that is installed on all doors of our recycling system. This lockout system prevents the commingling of waste during user transactions. The intake door will only open after the system has positioned itself in the correct location to collect the waste being disposed of. This concludes the demonstration of the ICD 2000 doors. Thank you very much. This concludes this video demonstration of Wilkinson High-Rise's trash management and recycling systems. If you need further information or have any questions regarding these systems, please contact your local Wilkinson High-Rise representative. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to your business.